Hello students, today we discuss about electromagnetic spectrum. Generally, electromagnetic spectrum is the range of all types of EMR radiation. The radiation is a energy that travel and spread out as it goes the visible light that comes from a lamp in your house and the radio waves that comes from stations. It comprises the frequency and wavelength. So this is the electromagnetic spectrum. From it depends on the frequency and wavelength, photon energy also. So here radio waves to gamma rays and visual waveguide. So gamma rays are all different types of frequencies. Now here you see the clear view of the radio waves and microwaves, infrared, near infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays. See one by one. Generally, radio waves capture the radio stations. Sorry. The radio stations emitted the radio waves. So generally, radios capture that one and convert into tunes. So radio waves are also emitted by stars and gases in space. That is important for remote sensing, as well as microwaves also. Generally, microwaves using for cook vegetables, popcorns, chicken, like that. No? At same time, also used astronomers to learn about the structure of nearby galaxy by using of microwaves. And infrared night vision goggles pick up the infrared lights emitted our skin and object with heat. Infrared light helps us map the dust between the stars for detection. Next one is visible light. Generally, our eyes capture the visible light only. Okay, so light bulbs, stars, in nighttime stars also emitted the visible light, and ultraviolet lights. Oh my, these are very dangerous. Okay, it comes from the sun. Okay, sometimes some other heat objectives in the universe they releases the ultraviolets. X-rays generally bone scan, dent scan. Okay, doctors they using for to observe the underneath of bone. Okay, what are the fractures is there? Okay, that purpose they using X-rays. At the same time, hot gases in the universe also emitted gas X-rays. So gamma rays, these are last one. Generally, gamma rays are doctors using imaging inside a human body. The biggest gamma ray generated of all is the universe. Next one is the main topic, energy interaction with atmosphere. See here, the EMR radiations. So radiations comes from the natural resource of sun. So these travel, EMR radiations travel through atmosphere and it touches the objective. Again, it get the reflection. Okay, so there are twice that these EMR radiations are travel, similar like a camera. Okay, so while capturing the camera, the sensors releases the radiations. That radiation touches the particular object. Again, the reflection travel through atmosphere and touch captured by the camera. This is happen in camera. So same thing here also. But here EMR radiations travel in atmosphere twice. But while traveling this atmosphere EMR radiations, they do some works. Okay, like absorption, scattering, and reflection, refraction. These are things happen in atmosphere. So absorption. Generally, few of the particles they absorb the EMR radiations. See here, absorption, absorption. Once the EMR radiations touches the particular object, it observes the entire incident energy. Okay, and so after uh, hidden that energy, okay, slowly to it generate and thermal energy and convert into thermal. That thermal energy uh, again it's started to scattering. This is absorption. Okay, so few of the particles they do different ways. So generally, incident radiant energy may take place atmosphere on the on the terrain also. So next one is the uh, sorry for absorption. There the main important is ozone layer, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. These are three main atmospheric constituents that absorb the radiation. This is important here. Next one, the scattering. Generally, so once the incident energy touches, okay, and it reflected based on the surface. Okay, so they scatter in different directions. They scatter. See here, they scatter different directions. So, so further they divided different types: relay scattering, misscattering, dispersion, Raman scattering, non-selective scattering. So first one, relay scattering. Generally, it occurs when the effective diameter of the matter smaller than the wavelength of the incident EMR. The amount of scattering is inversely related to the fourth power of the wavelength radiations. It is for relay scattering. We'll go to the Mie scattering. Generally, it takes place very lower the 4.5 kilometer of the atmosphere. Okay, nearby the atmosphere, where there may be essential spherical particles present with a diameter approximately equal to the size of wavelength incident energy. That is the thing happen here. See this EMR radiation energy, it is equal to the okay size. Sometimes particle is very high, even though it absorb these EMR radiations. Okay, so it occupy the entire thing. Okay, so for that the radiations are different. So but here is something is different, so particle size is small, okay, wavelength is big. For that it touches and reflected. So we'll go to the Raman effect is caused by the based on the atmospheric particles, which are larger, smaller, or equal, anything. Okay, that wavelength radiations being sensed, atmospheric particles, gases, molecules, droplets, fumes, dust particles, all portions of elastic collisions, the atmospheric particles which result either loss, gain of the energy. There's the increase and decrease of the wavelength. These are and last one is the non-selective. So non-selective scattering takes place the lowest portion of the atmosphere where there are particle greater than 10 times the wavelength of the incident EMR radiations. Okay. Next one is the refraction. Refraction is nothing but the incident angle. Okay, once it's travel through the particular liquid bodies, it get change the angle. It change the angle. That is a refraction. Okay, so the deflection is occurs. Okay, EMR radiations passes through one media to another media. Generally, refractive index, it is by speed of light in vacuum by speed of light in medium. Okay, next one is a reflection. Generally, reflection, so incident energy, okay, and the reflection energy. So incident energy and reflection, okay. So the angle, okay, should be equal. Should be equal. The reflection and okay, reflection, incident energy. So generally in ice, uh, these glaciers, These are the areas generally we can see the reflection energy. Reflection energy. And scattering generally we observe in trees areas and grass forest regions. These are things. And absorption water refraction also water. Absorption soil wet soils they absorb the. Okay, these are just some of the examples. Next one, the energy interaction with the earth surface features. Generally the equation here, see the equation, no? Incident energy equal to the reflected absorption transmission. Okay, these are all three equal to the incident energy, that is called energy interaction with the atmosphere. Sorry, that earth surface features. See here, incident energy, some of the particles reflected, some of the particle refracted, some of the particle, okay, allow the absorption. Okay, the spectral reflection rho lambda is equal to energy of wavelength lambda reflected from the object, energy of wavelength lambda incident upon the object into 100. It is generally, rho lambda express the percentage. Spectral response of the object can build from measured reflected energy from different wavelengths. Spectral response of a material, different wavelengths of EMR can be represented graphically. Spectral reflectance curves. See the curve. See there are different curves here. There is another name of this graph is spectral signature. So here these are the wavelengths. No? So blue color represent the water, green color represent the vegetation, and this brown color represent the dry soil. So incident energy after traveling and touches the target of the soil materials, these three soils, the reflectance varies. Okay, depends on the geological feature and geomorphological features. So the wavelengths are okay differs. Vegetation, okay, dry soil and water. So this spectral signature always be versus with the wavelengths between the reflectance. So it is very important in exam point of view. Sometimes they are asking directly the spectral signature. What is spectral signature? In that time you have to draw this one and explain the. So what is wavelength? What is reflection? How the EMR radiations travel and touches the target of the earth surfaces, and how they get reflections and reflections only. Generally reflections okay depends on the surface, okay, pattern, structure. They differ two types now. Specular reflection. So roads transportation of infrastructure roads, these are plain surfaces. They're using similar material for all regions from long length. So once the incident energy and reflection energy both are equal. So from here to there were any long distance also. So similar thing is happened. Okay, there is no variation. Even it is problem in particular atmosphere haze or something fog, then only we can see. But here it's not problem here. And diffusion reflection is different from this specular because of a single objective of the tree. Okay, each there are number of leaves that leaf thickness and transparency and top layer of the leaf and stems, they act like a different okay, so based on the incident energy. So once it touches the particular objective, it reflects just like a scattering. So this is diffusion of reflection. So generally, EMR, what is a EMR and electromagnetic spectrum, and what are types of electromagnetic radiations, and EMR radiations touches with the atmosphere. Generally, divided based on the particle behavior, absorption, uh, scattering, reflection, refraction. So transmission also is there. Okay. And next one is again the EMR radiations once it touches the particular target of the earth surface materials. Okay. So it's also acted like reflection refraction, but it represents the based on the wavelength reflection data. So spectral signature also it gives the clear information.